What's up everyone, it's your boy Ad, and today we're gonna be going to Camiguin with my family. Yay!
Breakfast.
Pinoy po kayo? Hi, Momshi!
Sato sa ilibin na tanang dari bulan di sila.
Binasa namin ng isang ugma pa maabot. Moto atong gihap ata nga ika-dusin. Ika-dusin. So, inyong bayrante 4466.
4466, okay.
Onyan na lang siguro, bes.
Good.
Teleportation.
Gali.
Same raman tanan.
Mamanifesto sa ano? Manifest na movie.
So by car.
By car sa ato. Hold the microphone.
If there's something that
Yeah, because I'm guessing that I wouldn't get a lot of that.
Dito na pagabot sa lan.
This is a ride. Muna ne, sakay na ko. Okay, I'm here.
Sibog-sibog eh.
Oh, pretty ang conductor.
Ay! O, sa lang. Isla Beach Resort ba daw?
oh, slaka na siya.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome to the native island.
Oh, grabe. Ay, yo.
Yeah, hey, I've been cooking in the background.
Step, step, step.
You're virus free.
Kaya,
Wanna show me? Please stage one.
And nice. Wow. It looks super nice. The stairs. Tapos na siya aircon, guys. It's really nice here. Private toilet as well. Get inside Ate Zo. It's glamping Ate Zo. Wow. Ila pang i-set up ti kay on pa nila ang aircon. What was that, Zo? Save card. Kabisi po na itong ano, yes, Coach Char. Bisa itong organizer.
I'm not gonna sleep in mosquitoes.
Welcome to Isla! Char. So, na ako'y nakita ng mga familiar faces. Hi, what can you say about the place?
Oh, it's so what? Nice.
So what? Nice. It's very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. I also got fruits here. Yummy.
Dili ang iyang kapatid
Wow, Jollibee guys, Jollibee.
Gasipaon niya ang mga bato.
Naugar sa tingkan. Naugar ang gid atong kuan. Kuya, wala na ni.
Ligo na ka, bro?
Grabe, naligo na boy.
Happy birthday, Mami Ging.
Oy, hello, thank you very much. Oh, di ba? Okay kayo? Oo. Tigilan tag-bird.
Wow, chicken joy.
Wow. Oh, kani oh. Chicken gihapon. Wow. Andi.
Advance happy birthday ni.
Ni Momshi.
So.
Birthday ni Mrs. Tata.
Hindi, magkuha daw sila.
Yeah.
Advance birthday for Ruel. This coming.
Ako na doon ka nag-video kay. Tumabihan ba? Hoy! Nag-video kay! Grabe, oy.
Snorkel ko.
Ako pod.
Snorkel.
Char. Snorkel tatanan. Oh, thank you, sir. Snorkelers.
Snorkel.
Okay ra ni. Okay ra ni i-mount.
Dito na, sa mabaw.
Oh, everyone's got the news, so.
What new? Change it.
No, it doesn't matter.
What new style?
They're like breathers.
Oh, just get it. Namoy bago ka, sir. Kaning bago nga breather.
I think it matters.
Magbayad.
Imamount natin.
O, pagkape na lang.
Niya ako, sir.
Sir, jacket?
Yeah. I'm pretty good.
Pero nasan ako daan dito ato tanan.
I don't know, check it out.
Okay, so we are going to White Island, guys. Just got my life jacket here. Tur- Kaya safe na ni ano?
Go lagi na. Ano ko ina?
You'll be out of time.
We are going to White Island.
We actually should.
We are finally here, guys. I'll show you the volcano. Wow, sea urchin. Wow. Pila na, sir?
5 for 100.
5 for 100.
Paakon gid siya sa mouthpiece. Blood case actually.
Sige, atubang ka nga sa akin.
Yeah.
Grabe ka, nice. Wow. Cagayan de Oro. Imot diha ra na siya dai kwaon.
Ito sa laot.
Ah.
Kinuha niya itong kauban ako.
Ah.
Tapos ibigya.
Video na ako ha.
Oh.
Kana.
Tambok.
Beb, dilaw ka, beb? Dilaw ka? Ah, sila kasi
Calcium, ayun.
Calcium iodine.
nanggilihok ba ang ubos ba? Isa ka.
Going home. Hey, dari oh. Hi. Pinoy you? Ito mo na kay ko?
Bawal mo daan.
Kamusta, Mads? Kamusta mga Mads? Uy, you're having breakfast here.
Special breakfast with dire.
What can you say about
May dinner for two.
It's awesome. The breakfast is awesome. Huh?
Di ba?
Huh?
Flowers.
With flowers.
And fruits.
This one.
Breakfast mo dito ka.
we brought you some gulay?
Gulay? Here, very rich.
Nami.
Rich.
Excuse me.
Ka naman gulay.
And we've got chorizo and
Chorizo and
andam na inyong
this one this one is very sweet.
Hi mga Mads. Kamusta, Mads? Okay ra ka, Mads? Ikaw, Mads. Okay ra ka, Mads?
akong anak.
Uy, na-breakfast.
Nagtalit na ito, balod na. Nawala ng buka.
Kadlo ng Gabon Island.
Na, basin mawala pa ni. Mawala pa ng bukid kalit.
Kamusta, Mami?
Mommy! Kamusta, Mommy?
Kamusta, baby? Kamusta, Daddy? Daddy.
Kamusta, Daddy?
Dudong.
Kamusta? 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 Tita? Tara, oh. Tara.
Kamusta, Tita Honey?
Kamusta, Mama?
Kamusta, Mama Oli?
Kamusta, Tita?
Kamusta, Tita Honey?
We're just gonna eat lunch, guys. Seafood's here, guys. Go. So we're here in the sunken cemetery, guys. Let's go, let's go. Just gonna walk. Yeah. Wow, is that your newfound friend? Hello. Some. Okay, come on.
Oh, look at the picture. Look at the four. Mami King, okay? Just need a hand.
Yeah, just carry Mommy Ging. Wow. Nice kay Bibo? Di oh, pito 100 o de. Oy, may bibili ng bag. Ulo. Very aesthetic kay mom. Salita og keeping, guys. Keeping.
Kay madama ko yun.
Pila isa?
Tagdusi.
Makakaon ka na ton.
Namok ba niya siya?
Very love ka.
Wala sila pin ka. So, no? Just gonna eat this. Mmm. Very yum. Hmm? Keeping.
Already. King, ano man?
Video ba nagkakaon kag keeping? Kana, lami. Smile, Mami Ging. Cute ka. Oof.
Keeping. 15 year. 15 year. Sakspan sang Emma. Crush na ka ha. Crush na ka Emma, impas bulingit kay imong baba oh.
Ay.
Tura Emma oh. Kita na ko be. Tuara.
Oh, made in coral so limestone siya sir, egg white ug apog ang gidikit. Sa likod may bell tower, convent ug centennial tree.
Century pa?
Bansa na ni picture ni. Picture mo. Wala kay 1623.
Oh yeah, sakto da.
Sige, go, 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 go. Again. Again.
Timoy, mag-again daw.
Ha?
Paumpo siguro ang kuan katong mga di kadagan. Para di na magigura sila motindog ba?
Oh, dili na maglingkod ang mga dili kadagan.
Sige. Last one na lang.
Ready na yung mga ano, Weng?
Naka-video na to siya. There.
Kira ka?
Grabe na yun ni. Thank you kayo.
Hi, we are now in the old church which was ruined during by
Face sa bata, uy.
mga Bultino.
Nagkat-kat naman ka.
Hoy, okay ra ka diha. Tsaka.
14 ka volcano dai diri, 14 ka volcano.
Picture nimo. Perfect kayo.
So we're here in the soda water pool. Lalaki, bagi pangutan siya sa puti. Why is it called soda? Is it called, it's a Sprite? Char. Some treats here. Oh my God! Ay! Nahugaw na na, uy! Tugasi sa akaw! Nahugaw!
Pagkaon na lang, silupin.
It's very dirty.
You hugas it with some kind of just not flavor.
Kana ako.
Boko halo. Pagpag mo na lang kasi may balas.
Lami. Napag...
Mama na ako na rako.
Gusto ka? Ano to? Han, dagan ka extra hand.
Keeping. Uy, wala pag ginawa man sa keeping do.
Malay ba nilang?
Very yummy, guys, for 10 pesos. So hi guys, so tonight we are going to Ardent Hot Springs. So exactly it's 6:23 in the evening. Okay. Say hi.
Hi. What's that sound?
Ardent Hot Spring. Yo. Life, ali rice is life, be. Wow, fresh rice.
The queen.
Uy,
The queen.
yes lang.
It's a garden.
Wow,
It's a garden.
it's a garden. Come on na, baby. Zuzu. Wow, nice kaayo. Dari na lang kaya. Open.
Maayo ang imong tulog.
Sige na.
Ay!
Is that right?
Otro.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oo.
Mayo imong tulog.
Oo.
Uy, oo, maayo. Wala ka gikapoy.
Oo.
Wala.
Wala.
Ay, good. Approve.
Approve.
Approve ang pagka-Pilipino.
Good. I started pretty rough.
Oy, thank you.
No, that's okay.
Oh, you made me strong. You made my nightman. Last night you made my. Ano na may sa'yo unta? Gihimo mo nga maayo ang akong gabi. Malipay ako kaayo. Ina din salamat.
Salamat.
I said you make my night because it's night. Then,
Don't
what's
she was
that?
so happy that
I'm so happy that you brought me up safely. Oh, salamat.
Salamat.
Ay!
you did well, Mommy Game. We're so proud of you. We're so proud of you.
Ignon ko siya. Nalipay ako kanimo. Unsa may proud ha?
Sabay proud.
Unsa may proud sa Bisaya?
Ito daw proud sa Bisaya.
May proud sa Bisaya.
Sa Tagalog.
Makahinambog. Dili alipay ra gayud.
Lipay.
Malipayon ako kaayo.
She's very happy.
Very happy.
Salamat.
Oy!
Salamat!
Ay, nakatunong.
It's the only word I
Pag
know.
proud na garbo.
Ay,
Garbo ko ang pagtiwas nimo sa pag-eskwela.
grabe naman. Garbo ko nga imo akong gidala nga maayo sa kagabi sa atong pagligo.
English.
Salamat.
In English.
Salamat.
Salamat! It's gonna eat breakfast. Sa ma'am? Oh, sige ma'am. Thank you. Ako lang ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ako. Thank you ma'am.
Ikuan kay basin.
Buko. Hi, Mami Kim. Say hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, Max. Welcome to Isla. Char. Big Kubo. That's it. Bye, Isla.